People of Jammu and Kashmir are celebrating Pakistan's Independence Day today with great enthusiasm, devotion, and respect in occupied Kashmir despite heavy build-up of Indian forces and surveillance by the drone cameras, CCTVs. The Kashmiris raised Pakistan's flags at several places in Srinagar, Baramulla, Budgam, Shopian, Pulwama, Islamabad, Kulgam, and Jammu region to express their love for Pakistan. Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and the world over will observe the Indian Independence Day tomorrow as a black day to register a protest against New Delhi's forcible and illegal occupation of their motherland. The day will be marked by a complete shutdown in occupied Kashmir, call for which has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference and supported by all Hurriyat leaders and organizations. Black flags will be hoisted. Rallies were held in Muzaffarabad, Jhelum Valley and other parts of the Azad Jammu and Kashmir to celebrate Pakistan's Independence Day today. A rally was organized by Pasbane Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir in Muzaffarabad, which was attended by a large number of citizens. The participants raised slogans in favor of Pakistan and Azad Kashmir. Chief of the Army Staff General Syed Asim Munir has expressed the hope that the people of occupied Kashmir will get freedom from the clutches of brutal occupation forces. While addressing the Azadi parade at the Pakistan Military Academy Kakul, he said, "To my Kashmiri brethren, I would say that inshallah you will also get free from the clutches of the brutal occupation forces as we got our freedom 76 years ago." Caretaker Prime Minister of Pakistan Anwarul Haq Kakar has stated that the issue of Kashmir is not just about geopolitics but about the 8 million people living in an open-air prison. He said this in an interview to an international television channel. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter organized an event in Islamabad on the occasion of Pakistan's Independence Day today. The event was presided over by the APHC AJK convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar. It was attended by Hurriyat leaders. Mahmood Ahmad Sagar congratulated the government of Pakistan, armed forces and the people of Pakistan on the happy occasion. Jammu and Kashmir National Conference President Farooq Abdullah said the Bharatiya Janata Party is facing unprecedented public resentment across occupied Jammu and Kashmir owing to its anti-people policies. Interacting with the party functionaries at an event in Srinagar, Farooq Abdullah stepped up his attack against the anti-people policies of the BJP government. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has vowed to stand in complete solidarity with the oppressed people of occupied Jammu and Kashmir and provide political, moral and diplomatic support to them. In his message on Pakistan's independence anniversary, he extended heartfelt congratulations to the entire nation.